Key to success is simple. Now, stick around. Let me know if you agree with this. The only way to success is becoming an assertive person. Now, passive person. It's so good to be a passive person. Oh my God, that might even help me with sales. You know, because everybody likes me, everybody loves me, every opinion that they give, I have the same opinion. Oh my gosh. I am welcome at parties. Nobody says when I walk into the room, why did you invite him? Now our day's going to be ruined. Can you imagine going to a place where you know that you're going to make people uncomfortable? You're there because you disagreed with somebody 2 weeks ago, and that person brought in all his friends and allies. Now they got a whole conspiracy and collusion to just not like you. Oh. Rumors spread fast. News spread fast. Reputations are unfixable when they are ruined. But you can't be passive. It's so easy and it's so nice. You have to be assertive. Let me give you an example. There is a passive man named Paul, an assertive man named Adam. And there is a client across the room, possible client across the room. Passive Paul walks up to the client, says, "Oh, he looks like he's busy. I'll talk to him another time." Okay. When he's not busy, I don't. We're at a gala. I don't want to bother him. I'll come back. Assertive Adam sees it, says, "Oh, he's busy. This is not going to go well. I'm going to risk him not liking me. I'm going to risk ruining his time." But then Adam realized, wait, the key to success, especially in sales, especially in real estate sales, is bothering people? I don't want to bother people. I'm a leech. I'm a termite. Oh! Adam says, screw it. Goes up to him. "Hey, my name is Adam, and I would like to talk." "Oh, what are you doing?" the client says. "I'm here with my family. You're a leech. You're a termite. Don't you have any respect? Honestly, the audacity that you have. Like, you're such a low life form to be bothering me. Get out of here. Leave." Adam says, "Well, here's my card. Sorry. No, you don't like me. Please don't tell anybody." So, passive Paul leaves. Sees what I went through. Glad I didn't go through that. And I'm like, yeah, that sucked. Fast forward 3 weeks later. The client's friend says, "Hey, I brought some real estate friends there. Did you meet Adam?" Client says, "Yeah, that guy's horrible. Awful human being. Awful. Why would you even bring him? I hate that man. Ugh." "Oh, okay, I'm sorry about that. What'd you think of Paul?" "Who the fuck is Paul?" 3 weeks later. "Client, do you know any realtors?" "No, I don't think I do. No. We need one right now. Like now." Client, "I know one. Yeah, I know one. I'll give him a call." Ring, ring, ring. Adam, "Hello?" "Oh my gosh, client. I wasn't expecting you to call today." Huh. Did you look at that? "Hey, Paul, how's it going over there?" It's good. A little slow, but I'll get out there. I'll get out there soon." Join sales. Let it turn you from a passive person to an assertive person. Assertiveness is a bumpy ride, but it's necessary.